How's it going, everyone? I'm back with another video on the Hot Wheels Super 6-Lane Raceway. We're going to do some head-to-head racing, including monster trucks. That's right, I brought the monster trucks out. We're going to race them against regular cars and other monster trucks, of course. So, let's get on with the races, see what we got, and get racing. Now, I did see, Ghost Trucker did something like this, I reckon, when I can remember. When they raced monster trucks against regular cars. Pretty interesting. I remember seeing the video. It's been a while. But anyways, see what we got. Gazella R up against 24/7. Muscle Tone versus Screaming Hauler. Aston Martin 177 up against MR11. Man Manga versus Vega. Twin Mill Monster Truck versus Twin Mill 3. Rescue Duty up against HW Demo Derby. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 up against the Blue Monster Truck, which is a reskin of Tiger Shark. Anyways, as you may have noticed, the finish line's not there. I actually took that off because the monster trucks won't fit past the finish line. So what happens with the regular cars? It'll just be guesswork. Just be like who's fastest done, I guess. But anyways, get on with it. This will be one and done for each duel. So let's get going. I'm pretty sure that was 24/7 that won that. I don't have the finish line up, like I said, because the monster trucks don't fit. So we'll put the cars that won down here, the cars that lost up. The winning cars will be down here. Winning cars, losing cars will be up there. Ooh, screwing! Oh, it looked like he was going to go over the safety sheet. But either way, Muscle Tone won that. From here. Just a quick video, figured why not make it on this track. Aston Martin wins. Alright, and Manga up against Vega. Man Manga gets that one. Alright. Alright. Here we go. The first race between monster truck and car. Who will get it? Well, Twin Mill 3 got that. Being its monster truck twin, or monster truck counterpart. Alright, now Rescue Duty versus HW Demo Derby. Oh. Rescue Duty won, but he almost got crushed by Demo Derby there. Now for Monster Truck. Versus Monster Truck. Here we go. That looked like a tie. Let's do it again. Let's switch lanes. This is interesting so far. Go. The Blue Shark monster truck got that. Told you it'd be interesting to see how they did. Well, anyways, everyone, thanks for watching. I know it was a short video, but it wasn't meant to be this long either. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do like seeing the monster trucks on the Super 6-Lane Raceway, please give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, even if I don't make videos as much as I used to back in the day. But anyways, I figured it'd be interesting to bring the monster trucks out on the Super 6-Lane Raceway, see how they did. They may not have been as quick as the regular cars, but it was still interesting to watch. We'll definitely be getting more monster trucks in the future. But anyways, again, like, comment down below if you like, if you wish to. And subscribe and turn on notifications. Have fun out there, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.